So today we're gonna do an EMOM workout, which stands for every minute on the minute. So for example, the first one, I'm telling you to do 12 lunges per leg. You have that minute to do the 12 lunges per leg, and then whatever time you have left over is your rest time. So if it took you 40 seconds, you have 20 seconds rest time, and then you're gonna start the next exercise right on the minute. I'm still going to show you form, but I will not be going through this workout with you because it's going to take us all a different amount of time to do the amount of reps. Alright, so here's the back lunge with the knee drive. This time we're adding a jump at the top. Last week we did a knee drive without a jump. So here you can see my weight is in my heel on my front foot. My knee is not banging on the ground when I come down. Slow-mo or slowed down version, and then I'm really gonna jump up and come right back. Next we're just doing some push-ups. Here's a standard push-up. You can also do them on your knees. That is totally fine. You can do half on your feet and half on your knees too, that works. And then here's a dolphin push-up. If you have wrist problems, this will help you out. Our next move is a jump squat. So again, weight in our heels. I like to use my arms just because I like to move as much of my body as I can. Really jump up. Next is a side plank. So as you can see, my arm is stacked right underneath my shoulder. My feet are stacked on top of each other. I find this comfortable, but you can also put one foot behind your other foot to give you a little bit more stability. That's totally fine. So yeah, 12 reps on each side, and then you'll just turn around. You can also do it on your forearm if it's hurting your wrist or if you want a little more stability. Alright, we're gonna do a fast side lunge. So the difference with this one is that the leg that's staying straight is really just there to stabilize you. I really want you to put all of your weight and all of your power through the leg that is moving and bending. Your weight's gonna be in your heels, and you're really gonna push your body off, back, and go right back in. So we're taking this movement fast, and then we have some standard jumping jacks, and that's all for today's workout.